That's awesome. That is so cool. So our traffic jam. Oh, it is a bear. Yep, there it is.
You just keep driving.
He's there. You can see him walking.
I see his head. I see his head.
Stand up.
I can't.
So this is what was creating our traffic jam. So I got that nice little brakes. Too bad you can't see the three babies with her right now.
Oh, sad.
That'll be enough brakes.
Look at that picture.
That is cool, isn't it? Can you see it at all?
Yeah, I can see the top of this little neck.
What a great reason to have a traffic jam. She got to see the bears that she always wanted to see. Look at how happy she is.
Happiness.
There's something in the woods right here.
Here. Yeah, pull over.
Sorry. I think I did.
I'm so sorry. I wonder if a Tennessee squirrel has southern accent.
You think they're talking southern clicks? Clicks and squeaks?
Those people are being rid of here.
No, I don't think so. He's coming over here though, isn't he? I think they added this to keep him off the stairs.
Yeah, he shimmied up between the wall and behind the elevator. That's how he got up there, because he come through the parking lot.
We were here a year ago and we flipped the lock on my door and I went down to get moonshine and my daughter calls me, "Dad, a bear came in my room." He's literally pushed his way right into the room.
They will.
Yeah. It's a good sized bear.
Careful, buddy.
He's a big guy. Was that the bear you wanted to see?
It was the bear I wanted to see. I'm very excited. I'm so glad that we came back here today because I saw a bear. I saw a bear. I'm excited. I saw a bear.
She didn't even try to get it into the car with cookies, so she's doing so much better than when she sees stray dogs.
Hey, welcome to Ripping Burnouts. I'm Tasha and this is Kurt. We're here to tell you all about Hot Rod Power Tour 2023.